Nice to meet you. Welcome to the hospital. Please, after you. You can follow me, please.
Hello, good morning.
All right.
How are you?
Pretty good. Okay.
Your donor area looks medium, moderate. Especially you need the frontal area.
Yeah,
and
I do the temples.
And also maybe
Yeah,
if we have more grass, we can add some hairs to the crown area, okay?
that's what I want.
You want a straight line or round line?
Straight line.
Straight, right?
Straight?
Straight, okay.
Yeah.
As straight as we can.
Can you hold a mirror, please? What do you think about front line? Is it good? Do you like it? Okay. Do you have any question?
I don't know. It's a,
We have three parts in the surgery, you know? The first part is gonna be extraction. It will last approximately 2 hours, okay? So after the extraction, the doctor will open your channels in the second part. Around 30-40 minutes it's gonna take. Dr. Zafer is also here.
How are you, sir?
All good?
Now I am starting for the incision part. After that, you will not feel any pain. But if you feel pain, please tell me, okay? We can extract from you 4,000 grafts. Now I am doing the incision stage. During the incision, I am using a sapphire blade. Approximately 3,300 to the frontal area we will implant. Also the little bit to crown area we will implant. Your operation will be continue 3 hours more, okay? After that, you will not feel any pain. Hello Aaron, how are you?
okay.
Okay, are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Now do you feel pain?
No, I'm okay right now. I fell asleep. Probably the anesthesia.
We can extract it from Aaron 4,000 grafts, and now operation is done. He is comfortable, and tomorrow he will come to hospital for washing. That's it.